Have you ever bitten into a clove and wondered why on earth it's such a common ingredient in so many dishes? These tiny nail-shaped buds pack a powerful punch of flavor, but their magic goes far beyond the culinary world. Cloves boast a wealth of potential health benefits, from taming inflammation to fighting free radicals. However, like all good things, moderation is key. Before you go on a clove-infused rampage, there are a few things to keep in mind. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of cloves, uncovering both their incredible potential and some important considerations for safe consumption. Number 1. Spice Odyssey. Imagine a world without the warm, aromatic embrace of cloves. Unthinkable, right? These are the dried flower buds of the clove tree, a majestic evergreen native to Southeast Asia. For centuries, cloves have been a treasured spice, cherished by cultures worldwide. They found their way onto trade routes as early as 2,000 years ago, prized for their unique flavor and medicinal properties. Egyptians used them in embalming rituals, while Romans incorporated them into medicines and perfumes. Today, cloves remain a beloved ingredient in cuisines across the globe, adding a touch of warmth and complexity to everything from savory stews to decadent desserts. But what exactly makes cloves so special? The secret lies in their chemical composition. Number 2. Treasure trove of nutrients. Cloves are like tiny nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with essential nutrients that play a vital role in keeping your body functioning optimally. Manganese, a key player in bone health and hormone production, is abundant in cloves. They're also a great source of vitamin K, which is crucial for blood clotting and bone mineralization. Potassium, another essential mineral found in cloves, helps regulate blood pressure and ensures proper muscle function. Beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, is another gift from cloves, supporting healthy vision and immunity. These are just some of the many nutrients cloves have to offer. By incorporating them into your diet, you're giving your body a natural boost of essential building blocks for overall well-being. Number 3. How cloves can fight inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection. It's your body's way of healing itself. However, chronic inflammation, when the fire rages on unchecked, can wreak havoc on your health, contributing to conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Here's where cloves come in as firefighters extraordinaire. They're loaded with anti-inflammatory compounds, particularly eugenol, a powerful natural pain reliever. Eugenol works by blocking the pathways that promote inflammation, potentially reducing swelling, stiffness, and pain associated with inflammatory conditions. So, the next time you're dealing with a throbbing headache or achy joints, consider brewing a cup of clove tea or adding a sprinkle of ground cloves to your meal. These tiny warriors might just help tame the flames of inflammation and bring you sweet relief. Number 4. Battling the free radicals. Imagine tiny, unstable molecules bouncing around your body, wreaking havoc on your cells. These are free radicals, and they're a natural byproduct of everyday processes like breathing and metabolism. While your body has its own defense mechanisms to neutralize them, sometimes free radicals get the upper hand. This can lead to oxidative stress, which is linked to a variety of chronic diseases. But fear not. Cloves come to the rescue once again, acting as your body's antioxidant allies. Rich in antioxidants like eugenol, cloves help neutralize free radicals before they can damage your cells. Think of them as tiny shields protecting your body's building blocks from harm. By incorporating cloves into your diet, you're potentially reducing your risk of developing chronic conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. It's a win-win for your overall health. Number 5. Soothing your stomach. Imagine a painful sore gnawing away at the lining of your stomach. That's an ulcer, and it's no picnic. While the exact causes of ulcers can vary, one contributing factor is a thinning of the protective mucus layer in your stomach. Research suggests that cloves, consumed in moderation, may offer some relief. Cloves may help stimulate the production of mucus, which acts as a barrier protecting your stomach lining from irritation and potential ulcer formation. Additionally, cloves possess antibacterial properties that may help combat the growth of H. pylori bacteria, a common culprit in ulcers. It's important to note that cloves are not a cure for ulcers, and consulting with a healthcare professional is crucial for proper diagnosis and treatment. However, incorporating cloves into your diet, alongside a balanced lifestyle and recommended medications, may provide some additional support for a healthy stomach. Number 6. Supporting your liver. Your liver is a tireless champion, working overtime to detoxify your blood, produce essential proteins, and regulate various bodily functions. But just like any overworked machine, your liver can sometimes become sluggish or damaged. This is where cloves might offer a helping hand. Studies indicate that eugenol, the powerhouse compound in cloves, may play a role in enhancing liver function. Eugenol may help protect liver cells from damage caused by toxins and free radicals. Additionally, some research suggests that cloves may be beneficial in mitigating the effects of certain liver conditions like cirrhosis, a progressive scarring of the liver, and fatty liver disease, a condition where excess fat accumulates in the liver. While more research is needed to fully understand the impact of cloves on liver health, the potential benefits are certainly promising. Remember, cloves are not a substitute for medical treatment, but they can be a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle that supports your hardworking liver. Number 7. Knowing your limits. While cloves are generally safe for most people when consumed in moderation, exceeding recommended amounts can lead to some unwanted side effects. Here's what to watch out for. Hypoglycemia. As mentioned earlier, excessive clove consumption can cause hypoglycemia or low blood sugar. This is a particular concern for diabetics. Clove essential oil toxicity. Clove essential oil is highly concentrated and can be toxic if swallowed. Symptoms can range from dizziness and nausea to vomiting and even coma. Stick to using cloves in their whole or ground form for culinary purposes and avoid ingesting clove essential oil. Skin irritation and allergic reactions. Clove oil, when applied directly to the skin, can cause irritation, burning, and redness. In rare cases, some people may experience allergic reactions to cloves, manifesting as rashes, swelling, or difficulty breathing. If you experience any discomfort after using cloves, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. Remember, moderation is key. Enjoy cloves as a flavorful spice in your cooking, but avoid excessive consumption or using concentrated clove essential oil. Cloves, boasting a rich history and potential health benefits, can be incorporated safely into your routine for a flavorful and potentially wellness-boosting experience. From taming inflammation to fighting free radicals, these tiny powerhouses add warmth and complexity to dishes, baked goods, and even beverages like clove tea. Remember, moderation is key, so be mindful of potential drug interactions and side effects. So next time you're at the spice rack, grab some cloves and explore the wonderful world of flavors and potential health they offer. Share your favorite clove-infused recipes in the comments below, and subscribe for more exciting videos on the world of healthy spices. Thank you for joining us on this clove adventure. We hope you learned something new.